Changer. Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how electric step battery step.
The cathode and anode materials are blended into a smooth slurry, with the consistency precisely balanced for optimal battery performance.
Check the pressure on line 3.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how electric car batteries are made. Don't you, Azaleed? From start to finish.